you for some more.
Yeah.
This is not heavy. Is it a camera?
Oh no. It would be a TV.
I know. I told you it's gonna be soft.
No, it's still a prick.
No. Thank you for the wrapping paper, Santa says. Okay.
Now, Britta, you can go and make your bed and clean your room.
Read.
All right, I'm gonna.
This is a... Mom, this isn't mine.
What?
This isn't mine. This is type. You made a mistake. What the heck?
Why? What are you talking about?
He made a mistake.
Maybe it's supposed to be one of the little kid ovens.
Doesn't look like it.
I think he got the wrong shipment.
Let me see it.
No, actually,
That
that's
is
the right
so-
one.
Well, maybe he thinks you need to start cooking for everybody.
Okay, let's do it.
No, with her creations, I'd actually love to go hungry.
I'll make
It's
better
already been
stuff.
opened.
Huh?
Looks like it's already been opened.
It does.
Maybe the elves got into it.
Maybe the elves are tricking you.
Maybe there's an elf inside of it.
Maybe Tony's
No, there's something inside of that.
trying to make a joke out of it all.
Tony, did you do this? I swear.
So, what did you get? A turkey cooker?
It's
A roaster oven. That's kind of funny. Well,
I'm still proud to say it. It's a roaster oven.
So you can cook a turkey in your room now.
Yeah, like I would wanna.
for supper every night. Ada's got supper for the rest of her life. I don't have to cook ever again.
Yes, you do.
Actually, I eat what
You
you
cook
cook, so
broccoli
you can
and
actually start
carrots.
cooking again.
Here, Mom, you can have my present. Or you can have this
Alright.
box. Another box is mine.
Okay.
Are you gonna need some help, or you got to?
I got this.
Just making sure.
Not yet now. Come on.
How hold you
Bring the
open.
box.
Huh?
Open